So I'm at my job. I'm not really supposed to be on my phone, but I have it out recording. Like, I am so bored. Like, let me turn this away for you guys won't see my computer, but I hate it. This is what I do on my time when I'm bored. Got 27 minutes left. Haven't made a phone call in 4. And it's not looking good for me. Boo fucking who, right? I gotta do better. But cooking ball coming to you momentarily. I'm making taco salad, I think. So stay tuned. Again, what's up, YouTube? It's your girl, woman.wol, but you can call me woman. See you in the next clip. What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, woman.wol, but you can call me woman. Coming back to you guys with another video. So tonight I am making a chicken taco salad. I just rinsed off my chicken breast. Okay, I'm back. I didn't want to get copyrighted, so I turned off the music. Well, I didn't turn it off. I just put it on a different device. So yeah, I just put it on a different device. I'm gonna just put some salt and pepper on my chicken breasts. And then and like I said before, you guys, you want to massage the meat, make sure it's in there like really good. You don't want it to be tough. You know I got those house. You know I'm so serious. Yeah, so I'm a season these bad boys up, but I don't want to put too much seasoning on them. That's why I'm just doing salt and pepper, because I'm going to add this taco seasoning, so you don't really need like a lot of like extra seasoning and stuff. It'll fuck it up. Not fuck it up, but and it's taco season packed in it. It already has like seasoning in it and stuff, so you don't want to like do triple sodium, because you're already going to get your seasoning from the taco seasoning. But like the salt and pepper just make sure it's not bland and it cooks with a little bit of flavor. So that's going to sit there, and I'm about to cut up some peppers and onions. Gotta wash my hands after I touch meat. Okay, so when I come back, I'm going to show you guys the cut up vegetables and the chicken cooking in a pan and stuff. I guess if I wanted to, I can start. No. I was going to say, I guess if I wanted to, I can start like cooking the chicken in a pan, but I want to cook the peppers and onions and saute it together. So I will be back. Pam cooking spray. That's it in a pot. So we're just going to cook these on each side. I can't say for however many minutes, but until it's cooked all the way through. Then once it's cooked through, we're going to dice it up and shred it. Then that's when I'm going to add the taco seasoning. But I'll check in with you guys in a smidge and a little bit after I add the peppers and onions and stuff. So again, our dinner tonight is a chicken taco salad, tortilla chip salad, seasoned chicken with taco seasoning. And like I'll show you guys like the salad and stuff in a little bit. So sexual. Okay, so this is what the chicken looks like a few minutes later after I added the peppers and the onions, and I cut it up a bit. I'll make it into smaller pieces. When it's time for me to shred the chicken, I'm about to put water, hydrate it, and like put the season in it. So this is what it's looking like, and I'll check back in a few minutes when it's done. This is not going to be a long video. Okay, this is like the taco seasoning mix that I used. I forgot to show you guys. I'm going to put the rest of them onions and peppers in my salad. This is the salsa I'm using. Sour cream. Cheese. I got more, but that's the one that's open. I'm going to do the spinach medley. These are the tortilla chips. These are really good. You should try them if you haven't tried them before. And I got like a tomato, croutons, and like shit like that. I probably won't need croutons since I'm doing tortilla chips, but that's an option. But yeah, I'm going to just mix my salsa and sour cream together, and that's going to be my sauce. But I do have like ranch and then like other dressings for somebody wants to eat that on their salad. But yeah, this is some of the ingredients that you're going to see in my salad. Okay, and this is what it's looking like. I put some water in it to hydrate it, and again I'm going to like keep mixing it, keep adding seasoning and stuff, and then I'm going to shred it, and it's going to look a smidge different when I come back. This is such an awkward view. I'm going to stand up straight and my nipples are going to be showing because I took off my bra. But that's neither here nor there. I'm about to make the salad. So, disregard my boobs in advance. I'm human. Okay, so I cut up the tomatoes. Whoops. Put it in a spinach medley. I'm breaking up the onions. And I hope I'm not sounding too desperate. Tomatoes. This looks really good. This is how the chicken's looking now. It's really good. It's done. Next scene or clip, you'll see me assembling the salad together. Yeah, so this meal is really simple to make. How do you guys make your taco salads? Comment below. Comment below. Let me know. Give me some new ideas, you guys. I'm always willing to learn. And if you want to know something about me, that's like one of the biggest things. Like, I love to learn. I always, if you know me, I just always be like, you're never too old to learn anything. I really think you should learn something like new. You're lucky if you can learn something new every day. We're not in school no more, so especially like when you're an adult and you can actually learn something, like that's big. Like whether it's cooking something, learning how to be a better lady, or whatever. You're never too old to learn. So hopefully you learned how to make a chicken taco salad, or hopefully you're just learning from me to learn, and that you're never too old to elevate yourself, become more than what you are or were. But yeah, that's my words of the day. Y'all see them with some nice earrings, right? Them with some real nice earrings. But yeah, I'm gonna get my life together, that I'm gonna assemble the salad, and I will see you guys momentarily. Thank you for watching. I just made my own ranch dressing. I used one of them Hidden Valley ranch packets, a little bit of sour cream, a little mayo, and some like unsweetened, unflavored like almond milk. And I used a little bit of this Taco Bell Diablo sauce and just put a dash in it. So like that's the dressing I'll be using for my salad. I just wanted to come back and tell you guys, and look how bomb this salad looks. Oh yeah, also I'm exhausted. I don't feel like making a plate to eat because I'm tired now. This is what happens when you work a full-time job. You're an aspiring author, awesome girlfriend, great cook. You're working on a YouTube channel and a website. A 3-part book and a web series. And I got the nerve to like want to taste the food too, and I'm just fucking tired. I'm tired as heck. So I'm making this clip just because I don't know if I'm gonna get to making the salad. But even if I don't eat it, that's something I can eat cold. So I'll be in, like, the next picture will probably be the clip of like how the salad looks, because I probably won't eat that tonight. I'll probably take that to lunch tomorrow. And then it's just like, you guys will be getting this cooking video. Then you'll probably be getting like a vlog of me at Red Lobster tomorrow, because I'm supposed to go to Red Lobster, which isn't even like a favorite of mine, but whatever. Somebody wants to go there for their birthday, so who am I to say no? But if you made it to this part in the video, thanks for watching. But I want you to comment below. Tired, because I am exhausted. Thank you for watching, you guys. Don't forget to press the like button, comment, and subscribe, and hit share. Also press the little bell at the bottom of the screen, the notification bell, you guys, for you guys to get notified of every time I upload. Thanks for watching. Good night, Wols.